Ciao Tesla people, I just updated to the 2025.26.4 software update where there is Grok only for the US, but there are a bunch of other changes. So I just finished the video, so you can check it out on my YouTube channel. And also there is another update, there is navigation data for EU, the EU 2025.2, and it's downloading. There is nothing to see here because it's just downloading the data. So I will let the installation go on, and that's it. So it's just another update, and it came out right after the other change, the software update 2025.26.4. Pretty cool. Check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. You can get a discount of 500 euros or dollars. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.